What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and right now I'm taking this video from the front facing camera of OPPO Reno 7 Pro 5G smartphone that comes with 32 megapixel front facing camera capable of recording 1080p resolution videos. This front facing camera comes with wide angle mode and the regular mode, and here you can see the demo of it. For pictures we got the front flash, HDR, beautification, the portrait mode to create bokeh effect, and then we got panorama as well. For videos it comes with front flash, beautification, AI color highlight feature, and it also comes with the option to blur the background to create the bokeh effect. And the front facing camera comes with video stabilization as well. It also comes with time-lapse feature, using which you can record time-lapse video from the front facing camera, and you can select the speed from 10x to 960x. And then we got the dual view mode, using which you can record a video from the front facing camera and the rear camera at the very same time, and you can even adjust the framing. So right now I'm just trying to give you an idea that if you're going to use OPPO Reno 7 Pro front facing camera for taking videos or pictures, so how good or bad it will be in terms of quality. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, because many more videos of Reno 7 Pro are going to be uploaded very soon on this channel. So I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.